Are you experiencing a problem with your heating, ventilation, or air conditioning? When it comes to your heating and cooling systems, you don't want to trust this job to just anyone. With over 10 years' experience, we have the knowledge and skills to quickly get the job done right. We will promptly assess your heating and cooling needs, provide an estimate, and safely take care of your problem. We offer installation, service, and sales for the following: furnaces, air conditioners, heaters, gas piping, pool heaters, natural gas and propane, tankless water heaters, and more. Our technicians are fully licensed and insured, with extensive experience and countless happy customers. We service both commercial and residential properties, and offer affordable prices with financing available. We have a best service, equipment, and price guarantee. Let us help you with all your heating and cooling needs. Give us a call today for your free, no-obligation estimate.